Hi guys, Happy New Year. So, money saving prep for these. Okay, each one makes 12. Now I think when you go buy one of those pods for your dishwasher, you buy the thing that's like almost $18. $4, $1, existing toothpaste, existing Arm& Hammer for making other ingredients for other cleaners. So basically, $4, $5, and each hold 12. So let's get started. So you want to, don't go and buy most expensive detergent, because then you're like, no. So you pretty much cover the bottom. You don't want to fill it up. You just want to put enough in there to cover the bottom, or a little more. Guess I've been doing this a while. It's not a big deal. So these pods will go in my dishwasher. Want them to settle a little bit. There you go. $1. This makes a little bit of room. So now you want to, see if we can raise this up maybe so you can see in. So there's the pods. So you want to take some of this, right? And you want to put it in your hand. You want to sprinkle it. Make sure they all get some. It's all soaking in. Now you can take a toothpick. I don't have one, so I'm going to use this old. I'm just going to stir it up a little. Kind of doesn't really need it. Kind of dissolved right in there. Now the next part is the toothpaste. So then you want to make a little dot in the center. We got people coming in. The doors and the windows are open. It is going to be a hot day. So a piece about that big. You want to drop it in. Come on. Come on. Since I've had this toothpaste, right? A bit. Oh, it doesn't have to be perfectly in the center, but it helps. You know what? I got an idea. I don't see my scissors here. You don't want to put too much, but you want to put a little bit in the center. You can always move it around later, right? Just a little. Just enough. Put that little dot in the center of your soap. Now I'm using my fingers. Should be using a knife. So, there we go. Fingers not the best. Now you can just buy no brand. You can just buy. They all have the same agent in it. That agent helps break down, scrubs, and cleans, whitens, disinfects, because that's what goes in your mouth with toothpaste. Now these will go in your freezer for about half an hour to an hour. Then you would bring them out. And I usually leave them in there till I'm ready for them. This will make quite a bit. To buy this much in a store will go to me about 30 bucks. And I just showed you how to make it for less than 6 bucks. Yep, less than 6 bucks, guys. So, it's important. Less than 6 bucks. And it's the same. Nothing's different. Doesn't have multicolors. I mean, you could do that, I guess. Put a layer one soap, a layer next soap. But the main ingredient here is Arm & Hammer and the toothpaste do all the work. Now you can get just whitening toothpaste, but you want the toothpaste that does everything. I did put a little too much toothpaste because I wasn't using a knife. So basically got it in the center. So we're going to take this, we're going to put them in the deep freezer. In the deep freezer for about an hour. Only maybe not even that long. And the best part is, well, we don't want to stack them. That's not cool. So we're going to put them in there. We're going to put them in the freezer. And then with a half an hour, I'm going to have dishwashing pods for at least a couple months. 6 bucks, guys. Remember, if you already have these, you don't go to the dollar store. They're $1 a piece. If you can get them a packet of 2 for $1, that's even better. No name, laundry soap, dishwashing soap, $1. Toothpaste, you can get toothpaste from the Dollar Street for $1. There you go. You can even get Arm & Hammer. If you don't already have it, don't buy it. And you saw, sprinkled it on, it dissolved in. There you go. But this cost to me was $6. So you all have a good day. Happy savings.